This is the Apple Watch Ultra box. It's different from the other Apple Watch boxes, and I am a current Apple Watch Series 6 user. I had an Apple Watch Series 4 before that I really loved. I think since like the third generation or so, the watch has become much more independent. It used to be way too dependent on the phone, and the watches are just incredible. So I decided to go with this. I went with the green Alpine color, and we're gonna unbox it and take a look. And I also want to see if my Nike band here fits on the Ultra. I have a 45 millimeter, one of those. So let's take a look. I blocked out some of the numbers here. Don't want that being online. All right, so this is really awesome. Wow. This is really cool. Oh, wow. Let's take a look at this one by one. I mean, this is an $800 watch. Oh, that's really cool. So it shows you all the different types of like bands. So these are like the instructions. This is pretty cool. This is really nice quality. Definitely keeping that. All right, so here is the watch box itself, and here is the band. I got this through T-Mobile. I have a $5 a month line. So let's take a look here. So here. This is so freaking cool. I guess I can open this side too. Let me do that. Nobody makes the opening experience just like Apple. Wow. So nice. We've got a cable here. This is, let's take a look. USB-C. Awesome. Okay. We have the watch itself, but we're gonna take a pause on that. I want to open up this band. Oh. Apple makes it so easy to open things up. The designs of the packaging are also impeccable. All right. What a beauty. Such a beauty. Wow. Comes with some paperwork. That is a really nice band. Very, very nice. Wow. Okay. Got the band. Here we are. Let's get a little closer here. Wow. What a beauty. Wow. This is so nice. This feels very premium, as it should at this price point. Okay, so I'm going to go back here to the instructions, and I'm going to run through this. I might fast forward the video because sometimes I'm a little slow. What's this in the back here? Oh, geez. Okay, so open your band box, follow the steps to attach your band to your Apple Watch. Okay, let's take a look here. I am perplexed. So my thought is it's this way, and then this one goes, oh, sorry, and this one goes this way. This is my thought. I think that's right. I think this is finally correct. Oops, sorry about that. Let's take a look. And then that way it's much easier for me as the user. Yeah, here we go. Finally got it right. And then I can just loop it in there. Oh, what a beauty. That is really nice. Jeez. All right, so time to boot this puppy up. And here we are. Even this band is very nice, I gotta say. The watch is, it's big, but it's not outrageously big. I really thought, one thing that put me off from it initially was that it did seem like it was excessively big. But now that I have it on, sorry about all that shaking. It felt like it was going to be excessively big, but now that I have it on, it does not feel too big. I do like big watches, but all right, so let's see. All right, English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing. All right, so now I'm gonna have to switch cameras because I'm using my phone to record. So let's see. All right, so I took off the band that came with the Ultra, put on my Nike band that is for a 44 millimeter, and it fit really well, so awesome. So here is the Apple Watch Ultra on my hand. It already had an update that I pushed through. It was pretty quick. This thing is speedy fast. I like the new watch faces. It's very bright too. So these next few weeks I'm going to be doing a lot of testing with it, a lot of working out testings and general testing of all kinds of stuff. So if you guys want to subscribe, that would be awesome so you can see all these videos. I'm also going to start opening up Pokemon cards and going back to some of my videos on general technology tips and whatnot. I'll be doing more videos with my Tesla, and so it's good to subscribe. Please do. And thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. Peace.